guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful week. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Suha and I make videos on fashion, makeup and lifestyle. So if you have the same interest, quickly subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And for today, I have a very fall appropriate makeup tutorial and it's the one that I'm wearing right now. If you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's get started. I already did my eyebrows and I also moisturized my face. Now I'm going to prime my face with this e.l.f. poreless primer. So I have applied the primer and I will let it set on my face while I do my eye makeup. So for this look, I will be using tape to get that sharp line. Now that the tape is on, I'm going to prep my eyes for eyeshadow. So I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me Concealer all over my eyelid as a eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to set that concealer with a face powder by Dior. So now that our eyes are all prepped and primed, we can move on with eyeshadows. I'm using this Jacqueline palette for this look, and the first shade I will be using is this color over here as my transition shade. For the second shade, I'm using this color over here. Now I'm using a brush like this and I'm using this shade over here. And I'm using my eyebrows as guideline and I'm coming right over here. So first I'm blending along the tape line, then I'm just bringing whatever is left on my brush upwards. So I'm just gonna go back in with that same shade few more times and then I'll move on with another shade. So for the next shade, I'm using this color over here and applying it with a very flat brush. Like I'm just drawing a thin line like a liner and bringing it all the way along that line. So I'm using the darkest brown color over here and I'm applying it and I'm smudging it as I go. So now I'm going to smudge everything with a brush like this and I'm applying this color over here. Now we are gonna go in with a black shade and I'm using this one over here. Again, I'm applying and smudging. And I'm using a brush like this and I'm going back in with this color over here. And I'm gonna apply that black color one last time. I'm using a pencil brush and going in this color. I'm gonna go back with this brush that I used for the first color and I'm applying the first transition shade and I'll just blend out any of the harsh lines that I don't like. I'm using a brush like this and going back in with this color. I'm gonna take off the tape. This is how it looks like, but we're not done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face and then we'll do the rest of my eye foundation. I'm using this foundation by Burberry. I'm going to set everything with this coty airspun. So I'm going to be using the same brush and same eyeshadows to do my lower lash line. First color I'm using is this one. Following that line we just made, I'm just bringing it downward like so. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that same black color and again bring that down as I smudge it. Just using a pencil brush to smudge. Now using an eyeshadow brush, I'm using this color over here. Now I'm going to apply my liner on my lower lash line. Okay, now I'll be applying the liner on my upper lash line. Make sure you just draw a very thin line. I'm going to use this NYX bronzer to bronze my face. The second, I'm using this Wet n Wild ombre blush, and this does not have that much color, it just gives you a very nice sheen. I'm gonna finish off with this lipstick and then I'll see you in a minute. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up. I just want to say one last thing. All the products that I use in my videos are always in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. That's all for today. I hope to see you next time. Bye.